Okay, problem number 88, let's write it down. And again, it looks really nightmarish. It's got 1, it's got this here. That's going to be the root of x plus y. And then I'm seeing, 1 plus that thing that's not well understood at this point, that dy dx. We're trying to solve for that thing. It's going to be 4x cubed plus 4y cubed, and then a dy dx. Now I do have an answer, and I just want to make sure you understand that we're looking to solve this for this over here, and it's on 2 sides. Now before I do any like multiplying this thing out, I want to multiply both sides by the LCD, and the LCD is 2 times the root of x plus y. Now if I do that, the left side's pretty easy, by the way. It's just simply 1 plus dy dx. On the right side, it's not that bad. It's going to be 8x cubed, the root of x plus y, plus 8y cubed, the root of x plus y, and then dy dx. All right, I want to remind you what we're doing over here. We're trying to get this thing. I'm getting it on one side, and the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to subtract this from both sides and subtract this from both sides. And what do you get? You get 1 minus 8x cubed, the root of x plus y, is going to be equal to 8y cubed, the root of x plus y, dy dx, minus dy dx. Well, I'm going to factor it. I'm going to get the coefficient of dy dx, by the way. And the coefficient would be 8y cubed, the root of x plus y, minus 1 dy dx. I'm going to divide both sides by the coefficient of dy dx, and I get this over here. All right, let's look at the key, see how we did. And I noticed in the key they have it written, some people say, oh, it's backwards. This is a legitimate answer, by the way. But it looks like when I did that, I did it probably slightly different. But it's really the same answer, by the way. I recognize it being the same. But let me write this down. Multiply the top by minus 1, you get 8x cubed, the root of x plus y, minus 1. And on the bottom, you get 1 minus 8y cubed, the root of x plus y. By the way, I'd say that most teachers catch on that pretty quickly, by the way, when they're grading. However, sometimes it's hard to see that your answers are correct when, in fact, the teacher marked them wrong. And you have to point that out to the teacher, all right? But anyway, let me get my red pen out, and let's see if I got this over here. I do see that. I see that. I see this. I see that. Let's see. I see this. I see that. I see this over here. By the way, this is really the same thing to me. It's the same exact thing. Thank you so much.